When watching a movie and witnessing a spectacular action scene, do you ever find yourself wondering, how did they do that? Indeed, filmmakers employ a variety of techniques to turn the impossible into reality. Well, in today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of green screen video editing. Whether you're shooting a professional video or just having fun with creative effects, mastering green screen editing can take your content to the next level. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. For beginners, we won't dive into complex techniques right away. Instead, we'll begin with the fundamental steps. Let's start. We will require two types of footage, the primary video and the green screen video. Here is the primary video featuring a serene sunset on a beach. And here is the green screen video showcasing birds in flight. Now, let's open up our video editing software. First, import the two media files required for your project. Select both media files to import. One is the main video, and the other is the green screen video. Once imported, proceed with the following steps. After importing, focus on the main video, which features a beautiful beach sunset scene with birds. Use the Mark In and Mark Out tools to trim the video as needed. Then, drag and drop this trimmed footage onto the sequence in your editing timeline. To obtain a more detailed view, I will modify the timeline to suit our needs. Repeat the same process for the green screen footage of flying birds. Remember to place the green screen footage layer above the main video layer in the timeline. Trim the extra footage. Locate the effects panel in your editing software. If you can't find it, access it through the window panel. Search for the Ultra Key effect in Effects panel. Apply it to the green screen footage by dragging and dropping. Access the effects control for the green screen footage to fine-tune the Ultra Key effect settings. Here we can see the Ultra Key has been applied to the footage. Utilize the Key Color tool to select and remove the green color from the green screen footage. This will isolate the birds from the background. To improve the appearance of the birds, adjust the opacity settings and create a mask around the bird area. This ensures a seamless integration into the main video. Review the edited footage. If satisfied, congratulations! You've successfully mastered the art of green screen video editing. It's time to export our project. Click on the Export button. Now choose the desired output settings, such as format, resolution, and quality. Initiate the export process. The process will take some time. It seems like the export process is complete. You can now preview the final output and make sure everything looks just the way you intended. Now, let's take a look at the final output. Well, this looks good enough. Remember, practice is key to refining your skills. Don't hesitate to experiment and improve your techniques. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!